want to share some broad statistics with you as we get started. Organizations are expected to adopt artificial intelligence to assist us with employee productivity at a rate of 70% by 2021, according to Gartner. That's a pretty impressive number. And we also are going to see an increase in jobs requiring the use of artificial intelligence of 450%. We've seen that since 2013, according to Adobe. And then we're seeing a growth rate on global spending on AI products by 50%. First, we'll start with credit management. With RPA, what we see is that we're able to easily capture credit application data. We can automatically retrieve credit reports, and we can collaborate together for approvals and dealing with blocked orders. Artificial intelligence can take that a step further by predicting that a customer is going to have blocked orders or that they're going to default. When we look at cash application, robotic process automation is helping us with aggregating those remittances from multiple sources and matching payments with invoice data, helping us code deductions, and maybe even some automated correspondence to our customers about missing remittance information. AI can accelerate cash application by helping us more accurately capture remittance information from all these different sources. It can help us map our invoicing and unstructured or non-standard data. And it can also automatically resolve repetitive exceptions. So it can recognize that we're resolving certain exceptions the same way over and over again and start to make suggestions and eventually make decisions for us about those exceptions. It can also automatically trigger emails to customers with a high probability of missing remittance. Let's look at collections management. The robotic process automation helps us with that by prioritizing a work list and automatically recommending action that we're going to take on those accounts based on things like age and amount. We can automate some correspondence for our customers using RPA, and it can also help us reconcile invoice payment and approval from customer portals and those third-party websites. Artificial intelligence takes this to the next level by helping to predict an invoice payment date based on the customer's previous behavior and other analysis. And it can give us a dynamic prioritization of work lists. We're no longer stuck in the world of age and amount. There are other factors that go into which customers are your highest collection priorities. And AI is able to help us with that. We can predict the customer's preferred correspondence, time, and mode so that we make an actual contact. I'm sure that a lot of your collectors today are leaving a lot of voicemails and sending a lot of emails. What if a solution could tell your collector now is the right time to contact the customer? You're going to have meaningful engagement if you do it within this window. So that's exciting. In deductions management, robotic process has been helping us with this by aggregating all those documents, automating correspondence for cross departments. You can use it that way. And helping us with customer correspondence, let a customer know that your claim has been approved or denied, or we need more information. Artificial intelligence is the prediction of the validity of a deduction for research prioritization. So here are the things that you need to research first because these deductions are probably invalid and you need to get back to your customer quickly. Here are the things you need to research next because they're valuable to you and the deductions are likely valid. Intelligent linking of backup and research documents with deductions, so you have humans less involved in the process of matching all of those pieces of information and more involved in the process of actually resolving the deductions.